In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a theme in Shopify. If you're looking to manage your online store's appearance by streamlining the themes you have, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together in a straightforward and simple way. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. This is your command center, where all the magic happens. Go ahead and log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, take a glance over to the left-hand side of the screen. You're looking for the option that says Online Store. It's located towards the bottom of the list. This is your next stop, so click on it. Once you've clicked on Online Store, you'll be presented with the Theme Settings interface. This is where you'll see your current theme featured prominently at the top. Just below your active theme, you'll notice a section called Theme Library. This is essentially where your other themes are stored, kind of like a toolbox filled with various looks for your store. Now, focus your attention on the specific theme you'd like to delete. Next to the Publish button for that theme, you'll see 3 little dots. These are your More Options icon. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open a new menu offering several actions you can take on this particular theme. In the list that appears, you'll want to find the option that says Remove. Click on Remove to initiate the deletion process. Shopify might ask you to confirm this action, just to make sure you're certain about removing the theme from your library. Once confirmed, the theme you chose to delete will no longer appear in your theme library. It's important to note that this action is permanent, so make sure you're deleting the right theme. Finally, with your theme successfully removed, navigate back to your Shopify homepage by clicking on the top option on the left-hand side. This essentially wraps up the process, and you're all set. Remember, keeping your theme library organized can greatly enhance your efficiency when working on your store's design. It allows you to focus on the themes that you truly intend to use, making the task of customizing your store much simpler and more intuitive. Plus, cleaning up unused themes can keep your dashboard less cluttered. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and you've learned how easy it is to streamline your Shopify store's appearance by managing your themes effectively. Thanks for watching and happy selling.